Can you delete all of your TikTok reposts at once? Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to find out if you're able to easily delete all of your TikTok reposts at once. But before getting started, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So once you open up your app, you just want to head over to your profile, and if you have reposted any TikToks, it will be visible right here. Now, if you want to delete your repost, you can just go ahead and tap on share and then remove repost. But doing this one by one will not be feasible. So if you want to remove all of it, as of this recording today, it is not possible to delete all of your reposts at once. But what you can try to do is simply go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and head over to settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find report a problem. So just tap on it. Or you can just head over to support to contact the Snapchat support. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see submit a report. Now here you can just type in that you can just write to the TikTok help and support team saying that you want to delete all of your TikTok reposts at once. And once you have done that, they will contact you within a few days. You can just follow their instruction or see what they says. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you can do as of now. But if TikTok brings out a new feature where it allows you to delete all of your reposts at once, then we'll be the first one to let you know. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and the bell icon is turned on. And I'll see you guys on the next one.